Hello everybody! Okay, I am doing my video in the living room. Let me get my iPhone. Okay, sorry to keep you waiting. Oh yes, I want to. Okay, I want to show you guys. Sorry, my house is messy because I'm helping my sister to move at the moment. Let me share my video to my Facebook first. The living room. Let me get my Okay, let me share in other groups first. It's like ongoing. Okay, let me share in other groups. It's like ongoing. Okay, let me share in other groups. There's a lot of echo, sorry. Ayoyo. Oh, sorry, my God, I didn't know so terrible. Okay. Hey everyone, I am going to do this retinol. Okay, a lot of you called me and asked me, right, like how to use the retinol. Okay, first thing first, watch my video on YouTube. Okay, if you have more questions, please ask. Okay, I'm here for you. So a lot of my customers, they and my consultants were like asking me, so how to use when I'm doing my 8 weeks retinization, I can't use my gel mask, I can't do my exfoliation, I can't do my mask, I can't do my serum. What can I do? What can I do? Okay, very simple thing. Okay, so you only do the retinol, right? First 2 weeks, right? Once a week, right? And then you have to mix, right? And then you please remember to write your dates. They give us all this paper here, right? Then there's a excuse me, sorry. There's another paper that they gave you, right, to write your dates. Ta-da! This is the one. This is to write your dates. Okay, the reason is, okay, I want to tell you, everybody has been asking me, what's the difference between my retinol and your retinol? I'm like, oh, okay, never mind. My retinol is definitely stronger than all of your commercial counters retinol. Okay, even those who are selling at clinics and selling about like less than $100, okay. It's technically 0.5, technically means, right, about 50% strength. Okay, so it's quite strong. So that's why you need to adhere to our conditions, and that's why hence the price. And this month, only this month, right, we're giving an introductory offer at $201 of this retinol treatment plus the milk. Okay, so if you want to try it, let me know. It will make you look 10 years younger, I promise you. Okay, and then if you are, but then of course there is some do's and don'ts. So today I'm going to teach you how to do. If you're going for a surgery, if you're doing acid peeling on your face, or if you are having like, what do you call that, pimples on your skin, or if you are you can't use acid peel, you can't, if you're going to get pregnant, you can't use as well. Okay, so these are the factors that you can't use. Okay, and then one more thing, when you're doing your retinization, 1 week twice, okay, 1 week twice only for 3rd week and 4th week onwards, right? 1 week twice, right? You can use retinol, but during the day, right, you can only use 3 items or 4 items, up to you. Okay, I will use my softener, right? When I remove makeup, right? Because these days I don't put on eyeshadow eyeliner. If I'm using eyeshadow eyeliner, I'll use my oil-free makeup remover. But if not, I'll just use my micellar water to remove my foundation and my sunscreen. Okay, this is good enough. Okay, simple one. Okay, day and night. Okay. Not day, sorry. In the night only. Okay. Then Let's talk about night first, okay? Then after that, you just use your softener. Okay, I didn't bring my softener. Then use the milk, okay? Then use the moisturizer. You can choose oil-free moisturizer if you have combination to oily skin, or you can use our nourishing oil, this one, for dry skin if you're using our retinol. Okay, this is what I recommend. Okay, then in the day, right, just add a sunscreen. For me personally, I like to use the Defense Milk, so I just use this one for my sunscreen day. Okay, and if I go for a walk in the afternoon, right, I always use this one for my whole face and my body. All right, and this is really, really very good. It's very powerful. It prevents sunburn, so little kids can use as well. Once they are good old age to go to the pool, right, they can use this one already. Okay, all right, so yeah, so it's very simple, just milk and then moisturizer, full stop, for the rest of your day and night. Okay, but day, just remember to put sunscreen. Retinol only use at night, you cannot use in the day. All right, so this is my summary of what to use. All right, so today I'm going to introduce to you my CC cream. Okay, we are having a 1-for-1 special for CC cream. Okay, personally, I love the liquid foundations. Okay, it's anti-aging and it has a serum inside. So, but if you wanted a very light coverage and you have good skin, right? You have good skin and you just want a sheer coverage, right? With sunscreen added inside. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you. We have 4 colors. Okay, we have 4 colors. We have the very dark, deep color. We have the light to medium. Okay, this is light to medium. All right, we have the medium to deep color. This is okay. This is medium to deep color. Okay, this is light to medium. Okay, I'm using very light. This one. I'm using very light color. So, yeah, this is spare one. So I'm going to show you the difference between with or without coverage. So it's really up to you to decide whether you prefer a light coverage. So if you see my videos often enough, I'm using like this one, Time West Luminous 3D Foundation often, right? But today I'm going to show it to you my CC cream because we're having 1-for-1 at $37. So 2 bottles for the price of 1. Okay, so it's a very good bargain this month. So for those who wanted to have a light coverage when you're doing your Zoom meetings, right, this is very, very important to you. So I'm going to show it to you. Okay, because it's finishing soon, so I'm going to cut it and show it to you the cover. So even for me, right, on occasion, right, I will use I will also use naturally oil as my moisturizer. So I'm gonna show it to you, and it's oil free. Basically, it's very light and it absorbs quickly into the skin. So sometimes, right, if my nails are oily, my nails oily. If my nails are dry, I will also use the nourishing oil. Okay. Oh, yesterday, I finally went for a massage. I'm so like hallelujah. Okay, I went for 2 hours massage at the Giovanni's massage. They're having this 2 hours at 123, and then I also joined their member because they have special discount for members, so I joined. Okay, if you realize, right, I'm a very money saving person because my whole life, right, I struggled with poverty for so long, so I decided to make a change to my life. So that's why there's no more poverty issue. Okay, so I am going to show it to you. And I like to put sunscreen. Sunscreen is very, very important. So if you use the retinol, so just put a simple thing. And sunscreen, very important to use sunscreen. Don't forget your neck area as well. Okay. Then I will show you my CC cream. So if you want, you can put a primer, but if you don't want, it's fine. But maybe I put one side with the primer, one side without the primer. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. So this is with the foundation primer. I love the foundation primer because it's made of hyaluronic acid. Okay, so it's very, very moisturizing. Okay, and it helps to reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. okay, and the pores area, so you won't see the lines so obviously. Ta-da! Can you see the difference? Actually, my lines here is very very obvious, very prominent, but after the retinol, it's solved my problem. I don't need to go for Botox or whatever. Right, I'm 44. Hello, cut me some slacks. All right. Cool, cool, cool. So next part, I'm gonna use my CC cream. I love this one. It's very light and it's very very watery. It's very moisturizing, and it has a bit of anti-aging effect as well. And it's very good for those who don't want so much coverage. They just want a light coverage, right? So I'm gonna cut it out. I am cutting it out because this month we're having 1 for 1. So this one is okay. So bear in mind, just a little bit goes a long way. So bear in mind this part I put my foundation primer. Okay. Just a little bit goes a long way. So if you're here, say hi to me, alright? Oh my god. So it's very good for videos, shooting, you're doing like your own life, right? Then you feel like, yeah, my face I need coverage. I look so old, so you can use CC cream to cover, okay? Can you see a difference already? Refresh. Okay, this is with primer, yeah, this is with primer. Okay, so this is without primer. I'm going to show it to you. I just had a hot bath, so I'm sweating like crazy. Okay, good. So this is with the primer and CC cream. Okay, you see I cut half already. Okay, so this is just with the without the primer. But bear in mind my skin is already retinol, so you know the difference is huge, because if you do not have retinol on your skin, right, you will never know how smooth your skin is going to be. Put too much. Okay, just actually this CC cream 1 pump will do for whole face, no need to put so much. Okay, I just put too much. Okay, but you can see, right? So on video it's not so obvious, but if you are meeting a person, right, you will definitely see a difference on with primer and without primer. Okay, but this is just CC cream without primer. This is CC cream with primer. Okay, but my skin is really retinol, so it's very nice really. So the pores are smaller and everything is smaller. So yesterday, right, I met Gwen. So Gwen was like, oh my god, retinol has really changed your skin. I say, yes, literally, it's like doing fillers on your face. You don't need any like extra treatment on your face. Just use retinol treatment. Retinol, I swear by retinol. And if you see, I endorsed the brand for Mary Kay retinol, and then I was using the products for 8 weeks, and you can see the difference before and after. On YouTube, Mary Kay Malaysia, you can see the YouTube, my face is there, and you can see the difference, the 8 weeks difference. 8 weeks ago, this part is very, because I tend to sleep this part. So this part is very deep here, okay, and this part is not so deep. So if you tend to sleep one side, right, one side is deeper than here. So, you know, so now I tend to sleep behind so that I don't have this thing. So I am selling Mary Kay products. So if you're interested to try the products, DM me for information. We're having 1 for 1. It's a great thing to try our products. And then let me tell you the benefits of our CC cream. Okay, I didn't really memorize a lot of things. Okay, as you age, right, you cannot remember a lot of things. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the benefits. The benefits. Every one of us love it, and it's oil-free, and it gives you lots of coverage. So it gives you that brightening effect, protects your skin. Yes, SPF 15. It corrects and minimizes redness, conceals, hydrate, reduce sign of aging, and defends against environmental stressors. So basically, right, if you realize Mary Kay products always have skincare inside the makeup. Okay, it's not just coverage, it's just with skincare. Okay, so that's why it's really really very good. So we're having this sale for this month, buy one get one free, and we're having the retinol sale at $201. So DM me for information if you want to look 5 to 10 years younger. I am 44 here. Okay, I'm so proud I'm 44, I don't care. Okay, so if you want to know more about Mary Kay products, please DM me for information. And if you're interested to know more about our career, please DM me for information. Book me for appointment to try the products first. No obligation, okay? Just book me for appointment to try the products first. We can go to your place, okay? And then after that, we will go to your place, right? And then let you try everything from skincare up to makeup, okay? All right, so thank you all so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye bye.